it again. I've done it again. Oh no. Okay, so today we're going to make a light sensing resistor. Today we're going to make a light sensor tape block. So we have a LDR, or a light dependent resistor, conductive tape and a foam block. So to prepare the block, we run one piece of tape all the way around, like you would with any standard tape block. All the way, further. Okay, and we're back to the start. And cut the silver, not the white, as always with tape blocks. And the tape means we don't have to restart the tape. Then we're going to prepare the block by putting conductive tape just on the front edge, not touching each other. So there's one piece. There's the other piece. Now the reason we do that is to make a sandwich of our component. So what we'll have is conductive tape, our light dependent resistor, and I'm just pushing the legs in so they sit flat, and then we'll have tape on top. So there'll be tape underneath the component and then tape on top. Let's do it right-handed, it'll probably make it easier for me. Okay. All the way around, and we make a gap at the back. One, and then again we have the tape, component tape. Let's push it down a bit better. And cut the silver, not the white. And there we go. You'll see here we have a break at the back and we have a break at the front, and that's where the sensor or the light dependent resistor actually sits, so that the power has to go through that, which is how switches work. So to see this working, we have our power block, we have a light block, that's on, that's off, that's on, that's off. So when we cover the sensor, it turns it off. I don't know if it works any better on the blue. Oh, you might be able to see that it's a little bit easier. And when we cover it, it reduces the amount and turns it on and off using a light dependent resistor. So that is a light sensor tape block.